Videojet is the world's largest coding and marking company and part of Danaher's product identification businesses. With more than 345,000 printers installed worldwide and backed by 44 years and 4,000 team members in 26 countries, the world looks to Videojet for cutting-edge printing and marking technologies and systems that keep production lines moving. The complete range of Videojet technologies includes continuous inkjet, also known as CIJ, to print on almost any surface. Versatile laser marking systems featuring CO2, fiber, and UV technologies are engineered for parts marking in the food, beverage, consumer packaged goods, and pharmaceutical industries. The Videojet laser portfolio, the largest in the industry, includes systems with the widest marking fields, the highest speeds, and the smallest marking heads in their classes. High-performance thermal transfer overprinters, also known as TTO, produce high-resolution text and graphics on labels and flexible film. TTO units that feature Videojet iAssure technology, a built-in code quality checker, help reduce waste and rework and bring confidence to your coding operations. Thermal inkjet printers, ideal for pharmaceutical and consumer product coding, offer complex coding options and the ability to print linear barcodes, logos, and two-dimensional codes such as GS1 data matrix and QR codes. Large character inkjet marking systems apply consistent high-resolution text, logos, and barcodes, even on extended runs and in dusty environments. And the revolutionary Videojet 9550 print and apply labeler for coding cases and pallets optimizes maintenance labor by eliminating more than 80% of wear parts found in traditional print and apply units. Specially engineered Videojet inks and ribbons are optimized to your equipment and rigorously tested for your unique packaging and product surfaces. Powerful solutions like Videojet Connect help to maximize line throughput and production quality and improve the capability and utilization of your printers and entire operation. With advanced analytics, you can expect innovations that help your lines move even more efficiently, that protect your brand, and that help you maintain compliance. As the leader in product identification, Videojet has the expertise and solutions to solve your coding and marking challenges.